Kulumbai Lagufer, neutral English pronunciation, then a day 5. Actually, a day 5. So, Kulumbai Lagufer, day 5. Sorry, this is not day 4, this is day 5. Lagufer, ang nama Pranab Gary, then a English series of pronunciation series of then a P plus what we have, this is T. So, we'll be dealing with how to pronounce this set of words I have collected so far. Generally, we tend to pronounce, corrupt consonants pronunciation here in the letter P. So, be a day 5th, okay, not day 4, okay. Day 4 we have already covered up. So, Lagafer, if you still did not subscribe my channel, so here it is, Bodosa info, so you can subscribe. And Bodosa Guari, this is my Facebook page, so you can go, and I upload recently whenever I do some videos for tutorial, so I upload here as well in Facebook, so you can check it out for latest information. Please subscribe. So let us head direct towards our letter or alphabet pronunciation, word pronunciation. So first we have in this series, this is P-R-E-P-A-R-E. Mabung isang biko? Prepare. Jeng biko prepare, but it is not prepare, this is incorrect. So it should be prepare. So guys, it is neutral accent. I'm still stressing on this point, so we are not doing any American style of talking, okay. So this is purely on neutral style, okay. So this is prepare. Next is place. This is not place, okay. So place bunga biko wijadang place. So somewhat you should pronounce like this, play, like this, place. Nebi wade jeng pronounce kalnago place, not place. Flesh is something meaning जाइए. Flesh माने बिगुर, maybe बिगुर. But it is place, not place. It is place. Next we have, okay, so here one more twist. So prepare, and here it is preparation. Preparation kalam nai, correct? Toyari kalam nai. Preparation. Next we have people. Okay, this is people, not people. Saying notice to become on a people, not people. It is people. This is incorrect. Okay, so this one is correct form, is correct pronunciation is people. Next is primitive. Okay, primitive nonga biya, primitive. So I have already talked about how to pronounce this V-E. Okay, primitive. The moment you want to pronounce V, then you need to bite till your lips with the upper teeth, primitive. Next is peace. This is peace, not peace. This is peace, and this is peace, not peace. This is peace. Here B-A-T-H. This is bathe. Okay, this is bathe, or you can say bath, but not but. Okay, jang biko bunga but it is not but. This is bathe. Similarly, bathing, it is not bathing. Okay, this is bathing. T has saplabia th laban nango th. Okay, th laban nango bio. Bathing, bathe. Okay, similarly we have travel, not travel. It is travel. Okay, next traveling. It is not traveling. Okay, this is traveling, not traveling. Correct. So there are certain subtle things you need to keep in mind while pronouncing this word also. These are nothing but the consonant. So where we have corrupt consonant sounds in terms of neutral English. So we are talking about neutral English, and neutral English has a lot of demand in the market. I already told you. So next what we have, let me choose the color. Okay, let it be. That's color is fine. So this is travel, this is not trouble, this is trouble in fact, and this is traveling. Okay, and once again, this is not traveling, this is traveling, and this is trade, trade, trade. So while you sounding sorry, one second, this traid, like this you need to sound, trade, not tread. Okay, not tread, this is incorrect. So correct pronunciation would be trade, this trade. Okay, trade, trade, not tread, this is trade. Next is technology, tech, or you can say tech. Tech actually neutral में होता है tech. Okay, technology, technology, but not technology. So we are doing this, we are pronouncing because ucharan kalama technology, but it is not z. Okay, so z or g ini pronunciation practice kang siang ne kita bai. Okay, so नै बी जेड को प्रनाउन्स खालामब्ला गाहायनि सालाइजों हाथाय गाहायनि जे हाथाय दं बे हाथायाव लासैनो थुहरनो नांगौ जि आरो नै बी जि दं बेखौ प्रनाउन्स खालामब्ला सानि हाथायाव थुहरनो नांगौ जि. ओके, so this is technology but not technology. Okay, it is technology. जी, जीनियस. हाँ जी है ना हिंदी में, हाँ जी. कहाँ जा रहे हो, आ रहे हो कि नहीं, मैं आ रही हूँ जी, not z. Okay, it is g, this one j. Okay, next is television, television. Okay, this is not television. जोंबा बुङो कि television, no, it is not television, this is television. Next is TV. Okay, this is not tv. So this is t, this is v. v को pronounce खालामनायाव जों लासैनो सानि हाथायजों गुस्थिखौ खेबनांगौ, गाहायनि गुस्थिखौ. Okay, so that is the way how to pronounce. Now this is thank, thank, thank नङा बियो thank. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, not thank you, it is thank you. So similarly tell, this is not tell. Okay, जों बेखौसो बुङो tell, but this is not tell, this is tell. So like for this is very pretty nice, this is not a rocket science, so you can make it happens. Although we in the northeast we speak a lot of corrupt consonants pronunciation and vowels pronunciation, so we should correct it before it's too late, because when you speak English, so it has to be in correct order, correct pronunciation. Especially I'm emphasizing here neutral English. Neutral English is easily understandable and it is pretty nice to hear. Okay, everybody will like. So binisay denini seri sawang bara bunglia. So small letters, some of the letters, countable letters I have taken, so that you can make it happen. Okay, I'm not giving a lot of numbers. So there are many others words, letters, okay, so which will be coming across, but basic thing is, so you need to know where to stress what. Okay, especially v and s we have problem in northeast, especially in my Bodoland region. So नै region बुंदों ना, नै region आबो REGION, so बे reason नङा, जों बेखौसो बुङो reason, बे reason नङा. Okay, region, G सालाइजों थुहरनांगौ सानि हाथायखौ. Okay, region, BTR region, BTR region, not reason नङा बियो region. Okay, so that's all. So आंनि चेनेलखौ मोजां मोनदोंब्ला subscribe खालाम, like खालाम, comment खालाम. Okay, so I'm here. So this is after many days I'm uploading this. Okay, I'm gonna upload this one because before that I touched upon tenses and its grammars. Okay, how to use. So I'm not giving I'm just giving alternative, so that just to get rid of monotonous so बानाय मोनो सानफ्रामबो एखे चैप्टरखौ आच्छा लोगोफोर बारा बुंलिया आरो thank you very much and God may bless you and I request you just go through it, okay, so you will make it happen. You know English very well, grammatically correct, but only thing is that your pronunciation is not happening. Okay, so जोंनि teachers फोराबो because of the aware खालामाखै, you know, बेफोरबो माने pronunciation आव बारा गुरुत्व होआखै आरो important होआखै जोंनि फलाव जोंनि रायलायनायफोरा very corrupt consonants जायो, consonant sounds आ बिराद खराब जायो and vowel also. See, जों बिखौ जोंखौ कलेज माबा एलपि स्कुलफोराव मा खालामदों नै बिखौ भि बुङो बिखौ एस बुङो so these are the big defect we have in the government schools, you know, so that's why we need to rectify it now, so before it's too late. So बेनिखायनो बे प्रग्रामखौ आं खालामदों बे सिरिजखौ, so that's all. आं बारा बुंलिया, so you guys my friends, so you can like, share and subscribe. Thank you. God may bless you. Bye bye.